The airbag system helps to prevent the passengers from injury in case of accident. When you start your car, the airbag light should briefly illuminate as part of a system check. It should turn off after a few seconds if everything is functioning correctly. If it stays on, it indicates a problem. In this video, we are going to discuss the causes of airbag light and how to reset it. The airbag light, which may look like a person sitting down with a circle above them to represent a bag, indicates a problem with your vehicle's airbag system. Resetting an airbag light can be done through various methods depending on the make and model of the vehicle and the specific issue causing the light to be on. Here are some common methods to reset the airbag light. Step 1. Turn your vehicle off and on. The first step is as easy as turning your vehicle on and off. In this approach, you would start your car, wait for your airbag sensor to come on and off, usually 7 seconds. After this, immediately turn your car off again. Once the vehicle is off, wait approximately 3 to 5 seconds before starting it again. Repeating this sequence is sometimes enough to turn your airbag light off entirely. Step 2. Take your vehicle for a test drive. If the first step fails, you may need to take your vehicle for a test drive. If your airbag light seems to glitch, it may require some power from a short drive to reset it. You will know if this works if your indicator light stays off on your next drive. Step 3. Check the passenger seat. A heavy item will trick the sensor into thinking the seat is occupied. Your vehicle thinks that something heavy on the seat is actually a person, but with a seatbelt off, the airbag may be deactivated. Plug the seatbelt in where you're carrying the item, and the light should disappear. Alternatively, you can just put whatever heavy item you're transporting in the trunk. Step 4. Seatbelts not buckled in. Most modern cars have a warning sound when you do not buckle in the seatbelt properly. The airbag light also turns on in this case. Seatbelts may not buckle properly if there is anything inside the belt buckle. So clean the buckle, latch the seatbelt again, and see if the airbag light turns off. Step 5. Check airbag switch. Some vehicles have a manual airbag deactivation switch, usually found on the passenger side. Look on the dashboard of your vehicle for a passenger airbag or airbag button. With your vehicle on and running, try pressing this button or flipping the switch. If the airbag light shuts off, you likely just bumped the airbag button accidentally. Step 6. Use the OBD2 scanner. You can connect an OBD2 scanner to the car and find out if there are any error codes. After trying possible repairs, clear the code after running a scan. You can reset the error codes with the airbag and see if it comes back again. Step 7. Take your vehicle to a mechanic. If you are not comfortable diagnosing and repairing the issue yourself, it's best to consult a professional mechanic. They have the tools and expertise to accurately identify and fix problems related to the airbag system, ensuring your vehicle's safety features are functioning correctly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop a comment below.